in the temperate heart of the Pacific Northwest, where rain is as constant as time, an often overlooked battle quietly unfolds, the battle between rooftop and moss. Here in Camas, Washington, we witness a seasoned crew of 4 Northwest roof maintenance technicians embarking on a vital seasonal necessity of removing ceratodon, purpureus, also known as fire moss, redshank, or, as the common roof tech refers to it, as roof moss from a tile roof. This is Tanner, agile, focused, and dependable, a kind of alpha of the roof. Angelo, careful and calculated, ensures no tile is disturbed beneath his feet. Diego, ever attentive, tracks the trailing debris, working in harmony with the wind. And PJ, quiet but relentless, the finisher, sweeping every final trace into oblivion. Each brushstroke is a small reclaiming of territory, a pushback against nature's soft green invasion. The moss, though seemingly harmless, if left unchecked, will root, rot, and ruin. And so they brush not in haste, but in rhythm, like craftsmen of the canopy. But just beyond the main site, a separate challenge brews. This is Ryan. Today he tackles a more subtle adversary, standing water, the quiet saboteur of roofs, his weapon anti-ponding flashing, designed to lift, redirect, and drain. Tanner, having conquered the ridgeline above, now lends a hand in this trade. No task is too small, and no tech works alone. In moments like these, precision means permanence. A job well done now means peace of mind in the wet months to come. As the morning fog lifts, so too does the burden from these rooftops. What was once vulnerable is now renewed. And for this team, 4 on the tiles, 1 on the shed, another small victory is etched into the architecture of Camas. They are not just roofers, they are stewards of shelter, guardians of the high ground.